quadratic formula, what is it and why is it so useful? Well, in a nutshell, it is a formula that allows you to take any quadratic equation and solve it almost instantly. The formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. What are a, b, and c, you ask? Well, they are stand-ins for coefficients and the constant when you have 0 on the other side of the equation. For example, a is a coefficient of x squared, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant right at the end. Now we know what it is, but how does it work? This will be useful for remembering the equation, at least if you're like me and have to know the logic behind stuff to remember anything. The quadratic formula is derived from completing the square without plugging in numbers for the stand-ins. To start, you divide by a. Now you subtract c over a from both sides. Next, you add the square of half of b over a to both sides. You can now simplify the left side so that it is x plus b over 2a all squared. The next step is simplifying the right side by completing the task of squaring b over 2a. This equals b squared over 4a squared. Now you can multiply the top and bottom of c over a by 4a. Now you just add the fractions on the right side. This gives you b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Starting to look familiar yet? The next step is to take the square root of both sides. Finally, we subtract b over 2a from both sides and simplify. If you have any questions or topics that you would like me to go over in the future, make sure you leave a comment down below. And if you like the video, why not go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. It's completely free and it helps out a lot. Until next time, goodbye!